Hi, my name is Shazana Hazika Rashidi. Let's get to know my group members.
Hi guys, my name is Sharina Ziliza binti Zulkarnain.
Hey guys, my name is Nurfa Sharina binti Yaakob.
Hello guys, my name is Elinara binti Azran. Today I will talk about compound interest. What do you know about compound interest? Compound interest is the interest on a loan or deposit calculated based on both the initial principal and the accumulated interest from previous period. Then, in a different meaning, compound interest computation is based on the principle which is change from time to time. After that, compound interest can be thought as interest on interest and will make then sum grow at a faster rate than simple interest, which is calculate only on the principal amount.
Okay, now I will explain about the keywords. So let's start. So as you guys can see, we have nominal interest rate. The first one we have annually, which is M equals to 1, semi-annually M equals to 2, and then we have quarterly M equals to 4, and then we have monthly M equals to 12. And then the last one we have every number of months, which is M equals to 12 divided by the number of months. And now I will explain about the formula. So there are two formulas here. The first one we have S equals to P 1 plus I to the power of N, and then I equals to S minus P. P is represent the original principal, S is a future value or maturity value. And then we have I, it is the interest rate or interest period. And the formula is I equals to K divided with M. And then N, we have number of interest period. The formula is N equals to MT, M times T. And the last one we have K, it is a nominal interest rate.
So we move to problem statement. Question 1. Nadira wants to open another branch for her bakery. She deposit Rm 75,277 in M-Bank Islamic for 40 years. The interest rate offered was 3.10% compounded monthly. Find the maturity value after 40 years. So here is a solution from that question. Firstly, we must list all the information that we get to get the answer. We know that P equal to Rm 75,277, I equal to 3.10%, M equal to 12, and T equal to 40 years. Number 1, to find N, we must multiply M with T. So N equal to, in a bracket 12, multiply with 40, and we get N equal to 480. Number 2, 3.10% over with 100% equal to 0.031. Number 3, we know that the formula is S equal to P in the bracket 1 plus I to power of N. So, S equal to 75,277 in the bracket 1 plus 0.031 over 12 to power of 480. So S equal to 75,277 in a bracket 3.450092652. And the final answer is S equal to 259540.12.
Now, I will explain about the problem statement, which is special case. So let's start. The question is, if Nadira missed payment for 2 months, the penalty charge is 1% per year. Find the amount of penalty charge. Okay, now I will explain about the solution of the special case. So let's move on. So P is 75,277.00, I equals 3.10%, and the missed payment is 2 months, and the penalty charge is 1%. Let's move on to the first step. We have to convert the penalty rate to monthly. So 1 divided by 12, we will get 0.0833% per month. So the second step, we have to calculate the penalty for 2 months. So penalty charge equals to P times monthly penalty rate times the missed duration. So 75,277.00 times 0.0833 over 100 times 2. So the third step, we have to compute the result. So penalty charge equals to 75,277.00 times 0.000833 times 2. We will get 125.41. So the penalty charge for 2 months is 125.41.
Now, I'll be explaining about annuity. First, what is annuity? Annuity is a series of equal payments made at equal intervals of time. Annuity can be structured to provide payments for a fixed period or for the lifetime of the person who received the annuity payments. Examples of annuity are short rentals, insurance, annual dividends received, or installment payments.
These slides show keywords of annuity. First of all, capital S, which is stand for future value. Future value is total saving or accumulated amount of unpaid payment. Next, small n, number of payment, number of interest period, and the equation for n is n equals to mt. After that, present value of annuity, which is capital A, the original loan or entire amount in the saving. Next is periodic interest rate, which is small I, interest rate per interest period. Next, periodic payment, which is capital R, amount of the periodic or series payment. And the last one is amount of interest, which is capital I, amount of the interest. Now, this is formula for annuity. Like you guys can see, there is two formula, which is saving and loan. For saving, first one is S equals to R bracket in bracket 1 plus I power of n minus 1 divided by I. Next, 1 equals to S minus R in bracket n. For loan, the first one is A equals to R in bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I power of negative n divided by I. And the second one is I equals to R in bracket n minus A. Problem statement, question 1. Joshua bought a Prodwa Asia for 50,661 ringgit 25 cents. He made an entire down payment of 5,161 ringgit 25 cents, and the balance was borrowed from a bank that charged interest at 3.31% compounded monthly. He agreed to repay the loan by making equal monthly payment for 108 months. Find the monthly payment. For this question, you need to find A first. A equals to 50,661.25 minus 5,161.25, and you will get 45,500. I equals to 3.31% times 100 equals to 0.0331. N equals to 108 months. You need to substitute the value into the formula and do the calculation until you will get 45,500 equals to R 29.31447,103. After that, divide 45,500 with 29.31447,103. So you will get R equals to 1,552.134437. And make it in two decimal places, and the answer will be 1,552 ringgit 30 cents.
Now, let's see a problem statement about a special case, which is missed payment. Joshua is paying a monthly payment of 1,552 ringgit 13 cents at 3.31% compounded monthly for 108 months. If he failed to pay the first 5th payment, how much he should pay on the 6th payment to settle the outstanding arrears? To solve this problem statement, we have to use the formula for missed payment, which is Sn equals to R in bracket 1 plus I to the power of n minus 1 over I. Then, we will substitute the values we acquired earlier into the formula, and it will be S6 equals to 1552.13 in bracket 1 plus 0.031 over 12 to the power of 6 minus 1 over 0.031 over 12. Then, we will do the calculations, and finally, we will get the answer 9,370 ringgit 13 cents.